Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make alginate beads using an alginate solution and calcium chloride solution. Hopefully, if everything goes well, this is what your final product should be looking like. The first step is to weigh out half a gram of calcium chloride. So this is going to be added to 100 milliliters of water to create the solution. And this solution is going to be used to activate that alginate and to form the beads. You want to make sure to get everything off of that dish. So you want to make sure to label everything. This is a 0.035 molarity calcium chloride solution. Next is going to be making the alginate solution. So we're going to be using sodium alginate, and we're going to use 1.75 grams of that. Here you can see I'm adding that sodium alginate to the water. You're going to want to make sure to do this slowly so that it doesn't form clumps. I'm going to adjust the speed a little bit to make it spin faster. This is just mixing it. So here you can see it's at a good speed, and I'm slowly adding that sodium alginate to the mixture. Once it's done, it should form this yellowish cloudy consistency, and you can go ahead and take it off. So here we have both our calcium chloride and our alginate solution, and a syringe that we're going to be using to drip the alginate into the calcium chloride. So here I'm adding some of that activating solution to the petri dish. You can use a bowl or a test tube. And now taking the syringe, I'm going to take some of that sodium alginate solution, and I'm going to wipe off the excess so that it doesn't drip. And I'm going to slowly start dripping those beads into the calcium chloride solution. So here you could see I'm taking small drips, careful that they don't touch each other so they don't form a clump. Here's just a view from above. You can also go ahead and play around. Here I'm making a little worm shape. You don't have to just make beads. Now after 5 minutes, I'm going to check on those beads. They're starting to form into more solid beads. And after 10 minutes, they should be completely finished. So here you can see I'm able to move them around. They're not clumping together or sticking together. I can pick it up, and it's completely hardened at this point. So here's an example of a nice finished alginate bead. So here's the view from above. You can see they're a little bit tapered. That's because of the syringe. And here in our lab, you can see on the right, we made some alginate beads using a syringe and a needle so that they were able to be a lot smaller. Now let's check in on that worm. So here I am moving it around. You can see that it hasn't completely solidified all the way through because it kind of popped open. That's because it was too thick for that calcium chloride solution to get inside and to complete the gelation process. So I hope everyone enjoyed that and found it entertaining. Hopefully you guys can create some nice beads on your own. Bye.